Facing issues with Pinterest downloads? Here's what you can do to resolve it. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak connection may prevent Pinterest from completing downloads. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. If you are attempting to download an image or video, check your device's storage. If your storage is full, the download might fail. Free up some space on your device by deleting unnecessary files or apps. Clear the cache on your Pinterest app. This helps to free up space by removing unwanted files. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Pinterest app. If an update is available, download it to ensure you have all the latest bug fixes and features. Lastly, if none of the above steps work, try restarting the Pinterest app or reinstalling it. If the download continues to fail, contact Pinterest support to see if there's an issue with the platform. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.